Wicked City Salon, Ghost Town Tours. Maybe down at the bottom there's parking. The fire department.
Yeah. That was crazy, that little rhino for the police car.
You're right.
Yeah. So today's adventure takes us to Jerome, Arizona. And our first stop is going to be the Haunted Hamburger. We're going to check that out and see what's on the menu. So real quick, guys, if you guys are liking these every other day vlogs, videos, whatever you guys want to call them, let me know down in the comments. This way, when we do stuff like this, we can make more videos like this for you guys. Can't wait to get this day started. And here in Jerome, this is their first fire engine, their first actual practical fire engine. A 1928 Dodge Brothers fire engine, the first true fire engine here in Jerome. Very cool.
Old fire engine.
Yeah.
It says Jerome Town Hall.
Very cool.
Fire down there.
And watch this. Look at, guys, this is one of their police cars that they use here in the town. Little Rhino side by side. Or I'm sorry, Polaris. I mean, check out this view, guys. This view is so awesome. I'm out of breath. We just climbed all these stairs, if you guys can see them. And they're slightly, well, if you're coming up, it's cocked to the right. Going down, it's slightly cocked to the left. And yeah, that was a workout for us. So we got our daily workout. But check out this view, guys. This is probably one of the most awesome views for a town that I've ever seen. Anyways, task at hand. The Haunted Hamburger. So what do you think about this place so far?
I love it.
Yeah?
Right up my alley.
So we got to sit on the second floor, guys. Check out our view. So cool. So myself and Mrs. 909 ordered 2 Dr. Peppers, and they brought us a craft of Dr. Pepper so we don't have to sit and wait for refills. How cool is that, Miss 909? So we were reading this, and it's talking about the place might really be haunted. It's not just a name called a Haunted Hamburger. It really is haunted, according to some people. I scanned this with my phone, so I'll go ahead and pop the picture in now. Alright, so we got our appetizers. The chips and salsa trio. Came with guac, salsa, and cheese. The salsa is pretty good. It tastes like chili salsa, right? And then Mrs. 909 decided she wanted, what are these?
Chipotle deviled eggs.
Chipotle deviled eggs. These are probably going to come back to haunt her a little later, especially with me eating these things. Good luck. Alright, so our food's here. I went with the fish sandwich. Didn't realize it came with all that sauce on there. The coleslaw. Mrs. 909 got what?
A ghostly burger and a double baked potato.
A ghostly burger and a double baked potato. Alright, let's dig in. Alright, guys, so the Haunted Hamburger right there was actually pretty good. I was surprised.
And not too bad in price.
Yeah, the price isn't bad, so if you guys ever come out to Jerome, the Haunted Hamburger is really good. And supposedly it's really haunted. Alright, let's go check out the rest of the town.
Come on.
So we wandered into this awesome little candy store here. Very cool. This is 909 over there getting us some kettle corn. Have a variety of sodas, drinks, and they're even dog friendly. Even city dog treats.
One was great game. Have a great day.
You too. So here at this site was the old, looks like the Grandview Hotel, which was a wooden structure.
Built in 1895.
Yep, so over 100 years ago.
It was 2 stories.
And this is what's left. You see, they got little things down there for you to throw pennies. Oh,
The structure was destroyed by a fire.
yeah, I kind of figured that. But yeah, that's what's left, guys. This used to be the Grandview Hotel. Let's go down over there and get a better view. This was the entrance, huh? That'd be cool if they opened it up so we can get in there and take a good look.
Look at the wood slats.
Look at those doors.
Look at
That
the
is
wood
so
slats.
cool. Yeah. That is so cool. Wow. All handmade stuff.
Oh, there's more old doors.
Very cool. So Mr. Ryan says there's more over here. I doubt those curtains are original though.
Maybe.
Yeah, I guess you never know, right?
I don't think they'd put anything in there if it wasn't.
Yeah, it looks like
You can still
an
smell it.
old wagon back there.
But you can still smell it.
If you guys can see that. Yeah, that's definitely an old wagon. And the next one, I stand corrected, guys. This is still all part of the hotel. But this is bedtime at the Bartlett Hotel. Well, check this out. Mrs. 909 suggested that this was probably one of the old bed frames out of the hotel. That thing is massive.
But it's heavy.
Oh, it probably is. Alright guys, so check this out. Something cool I didn't even know was up here. You guys see it already? Some of the, I'm sure none of the younger viewers will know what this is, but that is the truck from DUEL. One of the trucks. I think there was 3 trucks used in the movie. But that is one of the trucks from DUEL. How crazy is that? Steven Spielberg's first movie, DUEL. As we pull in to end our day, it's a bunch of antelope. Very cool. Definitely something we don't see in California very often. Look at this guy. Be nice. Look at this one.
Good girl looking up.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Don't worry. We ain't gonna do nothing to you. Keep on eating. That's right. I just want to give a quick shout out to David Piotrowski, Sooner John, and Nikki in Florida for donating on PayPal, making this trip possible. If you guys want to be like these guys and get a shout out in a future video, consider donating on PayPal today. Bartender, Coors Light, please.